Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a small floral motif titled Irish Rose. This is a beautiful motif which can be made into a decorative attachment to your dresses, to your hairpins and so on. And if this is best worked with thin yarns, thin cotton yarns. Thin mercerized yarns will give it a very good look. For demonstration purpose, I have made it with acrylic yarn. I used my hobby store Aran anti-pill premium acrylic yarn and a 5 mm clover crochet hook. For video purpose, I've used this yarn and the larger hook, but I suggest that you make it with 1.5 mm crochet hook and number 10 yarns. It will give a beautiful, exactly like a rose. All these petals will close up when you make it with smaller hook and a thinner yarn. Okay, let's go into the video without any delay. Chain 8, slip stitch and join to form a ring. Slip stitch to the first chain. Chain 5 for round 1. This is 1 DC chain 2. And into the ring place a double crochet, chain 2, place double crochet, chain 2 6 more times. At the end of the round, slip stitch and join to the third chain of the first chain 5, 1, 2 and 3. Now in every chain 2 space we are going to place 1 single crochet, 3 double crochet, 1 single crochet. So one more time I will show. 1 single, 1 double. See, when we go over from a smaller stitch to the longer stitch, this loop becomes larger. So before finishing, remove the hook from the working loop and go underneath the loop here and pick up the loop again. This is one technique to avoid large loops on the stitches. And 1 single crochet. You can give a jerk also, and so continue on the other loops too. I shall complete and get back. At the end of the round, slip stitch and join to the first single crochet. Now chain 1. If you chain 1, that is considered as the first single crochet, 1 single crochet. Now chain 5, working behind 1 single crochet on the first single crochet of the next petal. The loop should go behind. So chain 5, So you can work this way too, or you can take your normal single crochet. So the loops will go behind the petals. So continue the round and complete it. At the end of the round, slip stitch to the first chain that you did. Now for the next round, round 4, 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 3 double crochets, one half double crochet, and 1 single crochet. In the chain 5 loop. So continue placing the stitch repeat in each of the chain 5 loops and get back. At the end of the round, slip stitch to the first single crochet, join. Now chain 1 is considered here as first single crochet, and then chain 7. Chain 7, working behind 1 single crochet in the first single crochet of the next petal. Again chain 7, single crochet in the first petal of the next petal, first SC of the next petal. So continue all around. At the end of the round, I have made the last 7 chains and slip stitch to the first chain we did, which we considered as a single crochet. Now we are going to make the large petals. For this, we place 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, 3 trebles. Yarn over twice for the treble. So we are going to make 3 trebles. Again 1 double, 1 half double, and 1 single. So these are the stitch placement to be made in each of the 7 chains that we have done. Single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, 3 trebles, 1 double, 1 half double, 1 single. So continue the round and complete it. We've come to the end of the round here. Now slip stitch to the first single crochet, join, and we will fasten off. So we complete the Irish rose pattern. Thus for this demonstration I have worked with my thick acrylic Aran yarn, but if you make it with thinner yarns, it can be used for brooches and hairpins, etc. It will become a beautiful piece for all that. Okay. Thank you friends for viewing this video. Hope you like this video, this pattern. If you happen to be the first time viewer for our channel, please do subscribe, like and share our videos too. Do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you're notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Thank you once again, friends. Have a great day. Bye for now. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video.